What's going on, guys? It's Seth with TheAssets.com, and I'm back again with another one. In this video, we'll be looking at the doubles game of investing, and we'll be answering 4 key questions while we at it. We will look at the different portfolio or strategies that we currently testing in the doubles game of investing. We'll also look at the overall health of the stock market. We'll look at what is currently moving the stock market, and we'll also look at what is underperforming and overperforming or outperforming in the doubles game of investing. So without further ado, let's get active.
Let's do it.
For those new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Here you will find practical wealth building tips to help you reach your personal finance goals. So if you've not done it already, make sure to definitely hit the subscribe button to get more content like this. Okay, so let's answer the first key question. Which portfolios are currently in the doubles game of investing? All right, so the doubles game of investing started last year on September 9th, 2020. And since then, we've had 7 different portfolios in the doubles game of investing. This portfolio is on M1 Finance. And a quick plug-in before we move on. M1 Finance is giving out $30 for free for anybody new to M1 Finance. So if you do not have an account with M1 Finance and then you like free $30, make sure to definitely use the link in the description, and then you can get $30 for free for opening an account with M1 Finance. All right, now back to the different portfolios that we have in the game and in the doubles game of investing. We have the YOLO Live Once Grow While Young portfolio. I made that name up. If you like it, make sure to definitely hit the like button and the subscribe button. All right. Also have the 100% NASDAQ 100 portfolio. We also have the 100% S&P 500 portfolio. We also have the 60% stock and 40% bonds portfolio. We have the 100% REITs portfolio for the real estate fans out there. We also have the 40% stock and the 60% bonds portfolio. And we have, lastly, the all-weather strategy portfolio. That one was popularized by Ray Dalio, and I created my own version of it. So definitely hit the like button also for that one. So these are the 7 different portfolios we have in the doubles game of investing. If you are not aware how the doubles game of investing works, let me break it down so you get it. So we currently have 7 different portfolios under the doubles game of investing. All right. So the main one we want to take a look at is the 100% S&P 500 portfolio. So this portfolio is basically the benchmark that we will use to test the other portfolios. This portfolio is currently up 15% since September last year, right? So every other portfolio over here is getting tested against this benchmark, which is the S&P 500, right? At the end of the month, the goal is that at the end of the month, if a portfolio is performing 3% lower than the S&P 500, then that portfolio will be sold for shares in the S&P 500 index. Okay, let's answer the second question. In the past week, what has been really moving the market? To answer that, let's jump right on the PC to see what has been moving the market. Okay, so at the moment, we're looking at different ETFs for the different sectors in the stock market. And just ignore crude oil. But crude oil has been going up like crazy for the past week and then almost the entire year also. But then let's start from here, telecommunication, and then telecommunication is up about 3%, almost 4% actually. Energy is also up over 3%. So telecommunication is about 10% of the entire stock market. Energy is about 3%, I think, of the entire stock market. We already looked at communication, we already looked at energy. Financials, that's about 10% of the entire stock market, and that one is up about 2%. Consumer discretionary, that one is also about 10%. Don't quote me on that one. I'm not really sure. So that one is up about 2% also. And then QQQ, which is the tech-heavy NASDAQ, is up over 1.5%. So I will assume the tech, so tech is also up 1.39% over here. And tech is about 30% of the entire stock market. So that's definitely a big move. That would definitely push the stock market higher. And then the REITs, we can see is also up about 1.49%. So we can see that the movement in the stock market is a mixture of different sectors. We have the energy, we have the financials, we also have the REITs also pushing the stock market higher. But if I was going to put my finger on it, I would definitely say is the communication and then the energy sectors that are pushing the stock market higher. So for the third question, how is the overall trend of the stock market affecting the portfolios in the doubles game of investing? To answer that, let's jump on an M1 Finance app to see how that is affecting it. So currently we're looking at the 1 week. Yeah, we're looking at the 1 week time period for the different portfolios in the doubles game of investing. And then we can see that the 100% NASDAQ 100 portfolio is outperforming every other portfolio in the doubles game of investing, followed by the 100% S&P 500 portfolio. Then is the Grow While Young portfolio, the You Live Once Grow While Young portfolio. Then we have the REITs, and then the 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Then we have the 40% stock and 60% bonds, and then lastly the all-weather portfolio. So it's not looking good for these two at the bottom, the 40%, 60% bonds, and then the all-weather. But then the 100% NASDAQ portfolio is clearly the top performing portfolio for this week. Okay, so we already looked at the 1 week time frame. Now let's look at the 1 month time frame to figure out which portfolios over here that will be selling since it's a new month. We're in the month of February. We just started the month of February 2021. So we'll be selling some of these portfolios. So let's look at that, right? So let me switch the time frame over here to the 1 month time frame, and then we can see that the Grow While Young portfolio, the You Only Live Once Grow While Young portfolio, is currently outperforming every other portfolio in here. It is up about 9%, and then the second runner up is the 100% Nasdaq 100 portfolio, which is only up 4%. So the Grow While Young portfolio doubled the performance of the Nasdaq, and then next after that is the 100% S&P 500 portfolio, which is up 2% in the past month. Every other portfolio under that is underperforming the S&P 500, right? So we have the REITs, we have the 60-40, we have the 40-60, and then we have the all-weather, all underperforming the S&P 500. But we'll only sell those that are 3% lower than the S&P 500 portfolio, right? So 3% lower than that, we will be selling the 40% stock and 60% bonds portfolio and the all-weather portfolio. So let's do that. I'll click on Manage Pie. I'll edit that, and I will change for the all-weather. I'll just change this to 0, and now that will be removed. And then now the 40-60, I'll do the same over here. 0, that'll be removed. So 100 minus 56, that's a 44, right? So now the 100% S&P 500 portfolio is 44% of the entire portfolio, and we'll click save. And okay, I show you. Okay, we'll confirm that, and that is it. So these two portfolios are now part of the removed slices, and then so we'll only have 5 portfolios left in the doubles game of investing. Okay, let's take a look at this month's top performer, right? So the You Only Live Once Grow While Young portfolio is this month's top performer, and that is up about 9%. Compared to the Nasdaq, which is up 4%. So let's click on the You Only Live Once You Only Live Once Grow While Young portfolio, and then that one, we have Tesla up about 21%, and we have Google up about 20% also, and then Microsoft up about 10%, JP Morgan up about 7%, Nvidia up about 3%, Apple up about 1%, Facebook down 2%, Visa down 7%. If you want the entire portfolio, you could go to the link in the description, and you'll find the entire portfolio in there. This is not financial advice. I'm not asking you to replicate what I'm doing. So this is not financial advice, all right? I don't want no trouble. If you have any portfolios that you would like to add to the doubles game of investing, make sure to comment, leave a comment in the description, with the different ticker signs, and then I will create a portfolio for it. Okay, so that wraps it up for this video. If you've not done it already, make sure to definitely hit the like button. Make sure to definitely subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. I have a new video coming out on the best stocks and cryptos that I plan buying in the month of February. So definitely hit the notification bell to get notified when I post that video. Also get in the description section for your free $30 from M1 Finance for opening an account with M1 Finance. That's it for me. All right, catch you in the next video.